Good afternoon, friends. Satyam Vada Dharmachara, Satyamev Jayate. Welcome today news desk on income tax, GST and corporate law. Let's start from the income tax. Mumbai Tribunal, a special adhesive stamps expense incurred for assignment of the receivable is a revenue expenditure held by the Mumbai Tribunal. Mumbai Tribunal in this case where the SSC had incurred expenditure for cost of the adhesive stamp in connection with the conveyance deed for assignment of a receivable in connection with the acquisition of the industrial unit. Since said assignment was for facilitating recovery of receivables by SSC, the same was for the business SSC, same was to be allowed as business expenditure under section 37 subsection 1. Second, Bangalore Tribunal held in the case that lease rent received for letting or developed a space in stage eligible for section 80 IAB deduction. In this case, Bangalore Tribunal held that benefit of the deduction available under section 80 IAB could not have been denied to the SSC on pretext that lease rent income had been offered for taxation under head income from house property. Third case, Madras High Court section 54 exemption couldn't be denied even if advance for new residential flat was paid before sale of the original asset. इट मीन्स ओरिजिनल एसेट के सेल के बिफोर अगर एडवांसेस आपको रिसीव हुआ है तो सेक्शन 54F का जो आपको एग्जिम्पशन मिलता है अंडर कैपिटल गेन टैक्स वो डिनाई नहीं होगा. तो मद्रास हाई कोर्ट ने इसमें डिसीजन दिया वेयर एडवांस वाज पेड बाय द एसएससी टू परचेज a residential flat prior to the sale of the capital assets. Such advance was to be considered as part of the purchase for purpose of section 54. Next case, Bombay High Court. CIT appeal is empowered to deal with the additional ground which were not raised before the assessing officer during the original assessment. In this case, CIT appeals is empowered to deal additional ground, including those were available with the original return file was filed. एडिशनल ग्राउंड कंसीडर कर सकती है सीआईटी अपील्स इवन वो असेसमेंट के साइड में कंसीडर नहीं किया गया है. तो इस केस में ये हुआ कि कमिश्नर अपील जो जिसका जुडिक्शन है एडिशनल ग्राउंड डील कर सकता है इंक्लूडिंग दोज विच वेयर अवेलेबल व्हेन ओरिजिनल रिटर्न वाज फाइल जब था उसमें अवेलेबल था और असेसमेंट के समय रेज नहीं किया गया दिया नहीं गया था लेकिन सीआईटी अपील्स एडिशनल ग्राउंड कंसीडर कर सकता है उसको. Next case on transfer pricing, Bangalore, Delhi High Court. No further profit attributable to assessee, though assessee had permanent establishment in India once ALP has been satisfied. Delhi High Court held in this case once arm's length principle has been satisfied, there can be no further profit attributable to assessee even if assessee has PE in India. Next case, Bangalore Tribunal, non-comparable company is selected in the transfer pricing study can be sought to be excluded by SSC based on the functional comparability. SSC can retract from its transfer pricing study and content that the comparable selected by its are to be excluded on account of functional dissimilarity or other valid reason. Let's cover news on GST. Advance Authority ruling Karnataka services of the scanning of answer sheet to educational institution is with respect to conduct of the examination and hence exempt from the GST. Where the SSC service provider in respect of the print solution and infrastructure facilities was given a job by a state school board of educational to scan OMR flying in slip, OMR marks foil with the barcode sticker, OMR attendance sheet and OMR absentee sheet along with data extraction and finalization of data in all 4 categories Activity of the SSC was covered under other educational support services under Service Accounting Code 999299 and was related to conduct of examination and hence was exempted in serial number 66 of the notification number 12/2017 dated 28th June 2017. Next case, Karnataka Appellate Advance Authority held that declare ruling of the Advance Authority ruling levying 18% GST on the product by Rota as wide avenue show. Next case, Madhya Pradesh High Court held that former director not involved in working of the company being accused for the committing offense under GST granted bail. Madhya Pradesh High Court held in a case that where the applicants who were in custody for offense punishable under section 132 for evasion of the tax on sale and manufacture of rub hand sanitizer by a company fill bill application on ground that they had resigned from the directorship of the said company 11 years ago, bill application was to be allowed. Appellate Advance Authority ruling Maharashtra membership subscription and fees spent towards meeting and administrative expenses by club is not a service not liable to GST. Advance Authority ruling Maharashtra Appellate Authority where the SSC was an international organization having clubs in several countries including engaged in charitable services. Since entire membership, subscription and admission fees amount received by the SSC from its members was utilized slowly towards meeting an administrative expenditure only, and SSC was not providing any specific facility or benefit to its members against such subscription charged by it. Activities undertaken by the SSC would not come under the scope of supply under section 7 subsection 1 and accordingly amount collected as subscription and admission fees from members was not liable to GST and supply of the services. Next case, Karnataka High Court. Karnataka High Court sets aside penalty order passed by relying on document without bringing to the notice of the petitioner. Karnataka High Court held that where several documents and circumstances which were neither referred to nor enumerated in so-called notice had been relied upon by revenue in impugned order of penalty, there being contravention of the principles of the natural justice, impugned order deserved to be set aside. Under Banking, Ministry of Finance, Department of Economic Affairs issued a notification on 5th October. In this notification, Ministry of Finance constitute a monetary policy committee of RBI. Central government notify in this notification constitute a monetary policy committee of the RBI consisting of the governor, deputy governor, one officer of the RBI and other members. Let's cover news on the company law. NCLT Hyderabad. NCLT direct company to transfer share to the transferee as no complaint of loss of the share certificate was filed. In this case, where the petitioner father had purchased shares of the respondent company from the original shareholders and respondent refused to transfer of the physical shares or in the name of the petitioner on the ground or of the signature of the transferor mismatched, but notices sent to the original shareholders could not be served and there was no complaint of the loss of the share certificate. Respondent was to be directed to transfer share in favor of the petitioner. On 5th October, there is a press release issued by the Ministry of Finance on a recommendation of the 42nd GST Council meeting. We have separate coverage on the news update on the 42nd GST council meeting recommendation, and we are taken in both Hindi and English and both language. So if any problem in the that circular notification press release or need any clarification, you may write on my WhatsApp number 956008483, or on comments box, YouTube comment box. You may also give your doubts or clarification on that recommendations. Thank you so much for watching a news desk on the income tax, GST, and corporate law. Please share among the professional colleagues or students at of GS, CACS, CMA, or law student, which needed regular updates on the income tax, GST, and corporate law. We are also covering banking, company law, international taxation, transfer pricing, which will be helpful for their daily basis. Students or professionals, requested we have requested that we need a professional regular updates on the regular basis, so that we are touched with the subject. There are a lot of changes in last 1-2 years, and in COVID there is a lot of changes involved in the income tax, GST, and also in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The changes issued various circulars, notifications, or Amendment Act, considering COVID-19 impact. So please update yourself on regular basis, so that you are touched with your respective area. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching News Desk. Thank you.